If you want to change the YouTube Shorts thumbnail, so today's video is about this. I don't want to tell you that how you can change from your video. You can upload. Yes, you are listening right. You can upload a thumbnail for your Shorts video. First of all, like, share, subscribe, and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Now, if we go to our mobile phone YouTube app and go to this Shorts and edit, we can just change from over here. We will see a full video over here and we can change it from over here, but we are not telling that. And even you cannot do this in studio because there is no change option for thumbnail. But how you can do? For that you have to do a thing, is just you have to go to the, one second, you have to go to the studio.youtube.com, and after that you have to go to the Shorts, choose the short you want to change the thumbnail, and after that you will see, one second, I want to remove that one already uploaded I have. Now go to this thumbnail option and upload option. Yes, you are listening right, there are a upload option for your thumbnails, and you can just upload a thumbnail according to your requirement, because now you can easily upload a thumbnail. I'm selecting this and it's uploading, and this is the voila, the new thumbnail for your video. And you can get more and more views after uploading or changing the thumbnail of your YouTube Shorts. Like, share, subscribe, and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. You can do this on a browser only. Like, share, subscribe.